So today we're going to look at the prefabricated Wedi shower pan. You can buy this shower pan, it's already sloped. It's 100% waterproof. If you have a weird size, it's very easy to cut this down with just regular woodworking tools so that it'll work in whatever you've got going on. The nice thing, you install this simply by taking modified thin set and put it down and you slide this into place. So one of the cool things is the drain system itself comes with the pan. So it will hook up to your PVC, your cast iron, whatever you're using with a slip fitting so that you do not have to use glues. It's already included with the kit. When you go to build a pan, if you're trying to do it with the actual mud method and build a mud pan, you have to literally use a lot of levels and slope, and it's a long process. This, couple of cuts, put it into place, and you're good to go. If you have the exact measurement, you don't even make any cuts. If you do have to cut this though, you'll notice there's a notch here. This notch is 1/2 inch down, 1/2 inch wide, and it goes all the way around your pan. It is made so that your curb can set on the front, or your panels will slide down into that 1/2 inch, and then you seal it and it cannot leak. So if you're cutting this, all you're going to do is take a circular saw and set the depth to 1/2 inch. Make you a straight line straight across it. Cut that line. Take it on the side, cut it again so that you have a little triangle cut out of there that is 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. It's very simple, very quick. So if I was rating this shower pan on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it probably an 8. And the only reason I'm giving it an 8 is because it is fairly expensive compared to trying to build your own. But I would give it a 10 based on speed and accuracy. If you want something very accurate, very quick, then I would actually get this and I would give it a 10. One other cool thing about this that I forgot to mention is this will work with large format tiles, and it'll also work with little tile. So if you're wanting to use little river rock or whatever in the bottom of your shower, this works very well with that. So do yourself a favor and get yourself a Wedi shower pan.